so pay mu pepe na Ghana speaks ebre no aso ye be phone lines no na so aba be kire wadwene fan sem wa edi him e wo o my Ghana yi mu afidie sese wo de wo fidie eto ene ye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra your Facebook page ni ye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra live ene YouTube no so ye Sompa FM live obo Sompa Accra kwa ebepi yebepi aba etiene ya transie ne ye fieda wonyame na wotwe woni ye diniye otutu ya namo amaye na woche kona aba na woche kona eba na wode ye kon kakra sa eti wasori na opedie ma waseda no so wate eye amen complaini eye danyame ase sede ne yema musitie bia eye mawo wase it is well eye ma mekra ni nyina ye ema mekra se wunya de wo pɛ se wanya ne wo pɛ ni nyina ye ma wo kra if se tra bia de a wo pɛ kra senka wunya ya enka bia de wo hawo bi bebro eti ade nyina mu yemfa sedam awurade ade nyina mu yemfa sedam ma no eya akan ne wo ne de nyame ase wo ho ne gyan se wo hwe ne wunnie no ne wunnie no wo complain a ensesa ne bam se wo de nyame ase wo ne wo no ho a na ma aseda bia wurawura wutirim ne woni paduam ne wono mpam ene wontinim eti anope Sompa Accra ye de nyame ase wonyame ne Sompa Accra adiniye woni adwuma yefo adiniye wonyame nya ya broda wokan ye ho da bia wo ma ade nyina diboa ye ma ne wie yen yie Sompa Accra ya ye nhyira come say bono watching so near the Sompa Rhapsody no atena se and then Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo do betena se and then the guest and nim die bi o de breye no hey na me say wontimi ntie Sompa sabio mo fanje me ade nchen enye jimi for that there be that eye impossible say wo betie Sompa Accra na obaye kwakwahwe akwa there be eye impossible say wo betie Sompa Accra na da bia wo ye mistake na da bia wo ye mistake na da bia wo ye mistake da bi se wo betie Sompa Accra na wo de wakoma na watenka nko na be nante na wo mfa adwene nka ho ne de da bi nka ho Sompa Accra ye mfa yakoma ne yatenka na bobra ye de adwene na bobra eti wutie Sompa Accra nko ade asa wadwene na chimko left kra ye de beba begine mfimfin eti ene Sompa Rhapsody ye bechinchim watenka na wadwene no na ya boawo tere be ya wonfo watenka na wadwene enko enante ne mom no wodi nyansa ene bebobra aha nyansa radio station ni yo anope ya transe de obokrata dodo no aba ya frame die nyame hya na Akosua Aboagye betimi aframe Akosua nhira Adwoa Asare ewa ha Abakay Adwoa papa bi kono nso atena se ene ye social media no so betimi senso tie kire hwe bibia kama etu betimi ehia ye ewo radio so Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ana betimi ehia ye ewo ye social media platforms no obetimi akọ Facebook sabre ya ye live wo live na wo share o like na wo share eye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra live eya afa live no hye so live no na de aka ho ena wo ko ye YouTube no so Sompa FM live ye wo ho obo Sompa Accra ye bepi aba onyame ne ye di ne ye nti me nkoda me koma bedwafo akwaba me ma akwaba
yeah auntie
na bibia boko de
adom
sister Abakay why is a 16-year-old girl no
auntie say odo ho bodondo
and natural beauty is that he has a Adwoa tuntum broni I bought the Sompa t-shirt jaya me ma munyina akwaba
yeah
ayo se na watchi mu bibia da yi dom okrokra ye ode ye kode ye ba wie me wo daily graphic de obokrata na me kam say endpoint homeopathic clinic omuna de obokrata no moboso no maso yasene kasa natural mineral water na hajia special local food wo mo na eboye chido me wo daily graphic wa hana me hu same je fina me say same je fi me hu na che me te ne nka che wo say NDC ba afoforo no na ye boni din pa
say adwuma na wanya ne ye nkasa pi
baby I was no gold board no yankasa pi omo a NDC ba ye womo ye chese womo ho asem ba ye pa na same jamfi na ne dikan enna communications minister Nete George
When yes what da so gina
But me
who say same no but me who say same adwo yes wadwo say wonye na dwuma like I say kasa ne no so asa kasa no e no so ye nte ne ho asem say na wakoka we ne ade
beye
eye ohun
because baby na e kono nenye
ohun
na Yakob no
nenye
some not George the one was so on TV Asasia by the
Katawre.
What did they want you to say? Upon that Abekano, or see a Belaba.
And now we are Ghana Black Stars near England for some work a cayenne. As I know some good to say, dear and Kobe. Yes, I'm George came to Crank England and say,
politicians.
Aye, na kasano o mate kasano so. Kasatintin toponko. Me wo daily graphic do obokrata no wa ha. Na me hu say ura yewura Sameje mfida hai. Ura Frederick Atakuma, president de Ghana Chamber of Mines. Na Christopher Nyako one so Chamber of Mines hono in charge of analysis and research. Na Kena Shigbe CEO of the Chamber of Mines and Sameje mfi Gold Board CEO. Bro moko announce agreement bia omode beye adwuma na omampanyin so mfonyine no ebubo akire ewo ha bill to end witchcraft accusations under consideration we local government minister and also so witchcraft accusations under consideration bill be a day ba wontimi nkoka so obi e beifo ai na se sunsumu ade de ye ko sunsumu etimi kura na ya na adwa me hu die nti obi ye baifo no badwa mu beka de sa ade no baye ne ye sunsumu abrabo eti wo de ba honamani ade ne beye eti se obi hia wo sunsumu na so hia no sunsumu wo hia wo honamani na so hia no wo honamani eti se ye witchcraft ayi nim se witchcraft de ye sunsumu ade enti nipa na ye witchcraft incantation na wo ye demonic incantation na so ye biblical incantation na obi ade aboso na ya hwe altar versus altar ya hwe de ne die mu odin eti omuso omo de bill bi beboa ma obi ntentre ne nsa ewo obi so na emfa wo hawo ene abenedie emma eno da ha and a first national disaster risk strategy underway and also so ewa antimenim adwade hin na eda woni mu na Abakay so fa bintu aso
the Ghanaian Times, the Democrats and the most authoritative newspaper wa ha and a daily guidance so anope Ghana's favorite newspaper and also eda menimu ha
na Daily Post de obokrata no so apost to be dia ba ensem wewom no de pa afei the Chronicle bresesem de obokrata no so eda manim anope anti
okay any ma mention say na me for Daily Graphic de obokrata no emra enimo ha say me kan story no government of Ghana wafa Ghana Gold Board so etimi enya adwumadie bi a ebetimi aboa Oma secure agreement be among the Ghana Chamber of Mines. Omo beto 30% of the gold outputs of all large-scale mining companies in Ghana. Eti omo mutu agudie na omo tu no omo de ne yekese. Emre bi ne yesi small-scale mining de no omo beto. Say the Gold Board for akomanim say import large-scale mining companies bi ti Anglo Gold money ade no. Omo tu gold no a Gold Board for so omo beto sa gold no. Ombeto edi free womansem na womanso ombeto 30% of the gold output of all large scale mining companies in Ghana. 80 new Montefort omom Anglo Gold for omenye tu agudie na mu 30% ababeto nti agreement no womode womansa ahyanse a ebetimi aboa ama oman ebetimi afa yentuma pa efrana locally manufactured any mining lease ahodo niam bi ye nyina no ye betimi akoyenim ama oman na konkan fi se ya yetimi to a ya ye behu de ya ye de ya de ebeye aha na aboa wɔn de nsɛm bi aba wɔyɛ article bi a post pregnancy weight lost wɔwie no na watwea tete I say wafɔn ama ebi nyɛ wo da yɛfrɛ biribi postpartum depression memanya bi pɛn ɛbra me won tafo me ngo da no a me won tafo no me suffer de yɛfrɛ no postpartum depression and that 3 hours my da continuous me na ne yɛ wada cha yɛ 1 hour no sorry na ɛsɛ wo toa so wo hwe we ya na wahwe we wo hwe we ya even though a menya amoa kora me ɛfa me kunu boa me no still it wasn't easy menya ba ma kora me kunu kora so me mo no still no na nya easy entafuom eti da ko bi metiwosa na matue sum awede da ko bi metiwosa na matue sum ma bre na eba san so wontimi nidi because tori we yesa wo fa aduane na bedi na akora na sum anase bia yese wo gya nan yese eniemasie eni ateche se wo twa ho asente eti obi wo ho after pregnancy no ayese obi awo wie fese wo didi obedabi wo de no wo be fon na especially se wo ba na wo no ye premature na obi anso obewo ahenasa na sentafo most times no eya na nkoda ne weight ni susua because me fa ne say wo akoda ba ko bom dia obetimi awo akoda ebi a ni weight no ebi ye be 2.5 anase bi a 3.5 but me dia no mo ye ahenasa na mo ye 3 me wo 3 bom eti weight no ma che ebi ye 1.5 so at yes ebi ye 1.2 oh yes na ketwa na no mo na ye 1.1
oh no mususa
mususa keten eti imagine sen kwada wei no fusuo nso na yeso omu hia at that time no na wonso so wo ma we no for na wo ma we no for because wo person na wo express bi meti na ye se me no for de na ba pa eti wo ma we no na wasa atwe but at the end of the day no o bre because what obedient wo kra no wo refi ho say wo ye nipa wa asase so enti se wo ye oba na se wo anya moa ebeye din se wo be ye shepe se wo ye shepe na che se wo nhya wo mayi wo nhya akoda na yi most times no se oba wo wie na hu no no aye nome but oni moa se wo moa de a me fan se ne maame abeso ne mu ne nua bia abeso ne mu we so eti sa na wo ma akoda no fo na maame abeje no eti sa de otimi da na sa times akoda na ne hu hia wo breastfeeding na wo ha da bie o so beti wo betwen but eya na eye season anaso be ke season aye brebi ebedru mebina kwada na wonye baby forever enti eya na ma na mo fofora mo sacrifice ma wo mo na nya se me pese me didi na me yekese na krofo hu se me wo ye me ho aye fe eso na wo ba no wo suffer from anorexia akwada no ho ansa kwhwekwa aye no nti wo wa aye hyepe na oba no aye se hanwa ekutawa dabi ese wo hyema akwada no ejina ekirei no ogina na so wia na afi wa ba be didi na why kama enti pregnancy lost no de after post pregnancy weight loss na wo ho bebre atimi to ema bia me de ebi to me ana enye asam keto akora nti enho asam na no mo de article bi aba me gidi se wo kenkan a ebetimi aboa na wo de wona mo nso asisi enti me de daily graphic no wasi adwa to aso na Abakay mfa bi nkan
ene yemfa daily guide and to aso tew na wo share front page hanmo or say want to miss lawyer urges court to defer judgment say na me yadoma wo mo share say July ne de to so miensa ena ye de judgment ne beba e de afa legal mining huntansa ye de abo chairman wuntumi no na isansa wasesa lawyer nti wo mo kire say 3rd July no e yentem dodo esese wo mutimi nya bre na wo mo eboaboa wo mo niema no wo mo nkrata ne ade ye wo mo homework yiye se de be ya wo mo court ho no mo niema nyina betimi akoye enti owura Samuel Atachia wo ye new lawyer ede machema wuntumi no wono na akọ file sa application na eno a ye de ho asem ebremo ewo kasebo no emu no change in Apostle Joseph's funeral date abusuafo na kan no wo mo friends amtwofo nhyiemu na nhyiemudie no ase nsem pii en wo mo bro so sesesi ade se de ne me ekono adaworo ma Ghana fo nyina mfa mpa bontai lawyer Sarah Josephfo won fa mpa bontai na chipa sanse wo hia mpa bono na watimi asan agina na so biem na babia woda no wo mo se ne ho ye ne ade na nso etu aboba de enye fadi agoro se etu aboba beka onipadua ne baabi kura no eden enti wo mu hia mpaebo pa de afiri Ghana fo ho se de be ya maame no ne ho betimi ato ne kura se mate se ye se ye fly ne kura kwa ye surgery bi wa bruchire enti ye ho nsem no de akwa bebre na busua ne se date na wo mo share no se wo mbe ye ayie no eye from 30th July ekosi 1st August no ensesan wo mu se busua ne fa ohawa hodo bebre mu de nanso date no wo mo ensesan no nyame yadom a saada ne so a wo mo ebehwe se wo mbe ye amamre ne amane na wo mo akata Apostle Joseph Kantankan bonya ne ba bi kro no wo mo akata na chi kura enti ehu asam so unya daily guide ne bia ubetimi akenkan na rahosem bia wode aba wo kratafa etoso miensa wo kire mu se junior high school akwada wenya mfihia no edunan ye kire mu se nanu ye akora no wo tro ni BC ewie ye 14 years akwada no ye kasei wo mo ma no psychological support ene mental health supervision ni nyina ne se undertaker bia wono ete doma akwamu wo bono mantemu efe no Ezekiel Tabiri Ezekiel de anka wo hye nkoma ma dry bones so anyankwa na Ezekiel de bia nye we bi no wo ye
Ezekiel no ono dry bones we na Ezekiel we don de oye dey
Ezekiel akoto akwada 40 year old no mona owo ne mid 30s wo ya undertaker na chese wo siesie fun sa adwuma no wo ye no wo se wo lio akola ne se wo mbra no nsoma ne mane mfa package bi nkoma ne maame woduru ye no wo sesa se ye bansiri o se ye den bia se ko jan bi ni ade en wo de bo akoda ne nsa ye nim de wo keka gu akoda na sumu chese ena wawrepu enti
ya chino de si ya chino
enti ye ka say Ezekiel ena ya chino Ezekiel Tabiri ya wo ya undertaker edin adodo no afa no wompotam ho ye one day we
Wutimi zi odo ye nkola no we area hwa
enti wono na nimfonyini da he ya kata nanimu yi enti ehu asem ASP Irene Danso ya woda domestic violence and victim support unit dofsu ano wono na confirm case na watch se wo mo ye investigations wo mu na enyoma nyina atimi akonkan gold board mines chamber signed 30% large scale gold purchase deal and also wo katafa etoso miensa na ye kiremu ese ensemu a NPP amanyoko ne kase kane maslok penyini pase de na atuo no tamakulu ya ye di ni frama no ne ba yes wo mesevi ni jail term ye chese wadwodwo ne ho wo baabi na wobi a ono ye de ne kwakoto afiase prison kura ye se ye nka ye wura munta kase wo apese wo besra ne kura na gise wo tro official letter ema wono no approve se asumesi ana wo benten me pese me hunu no ansa ne ye de wakọ ye nka so wo dance wam so wo dan kafo so wo da hefa Kumasi Central Prisons wobi ampese wo beka ensemu a minister eka nyina ne se owo custody wo wo mo akache a wo ye safe amu obi adwene nye ne se maame na dwodwo ne ho wo baabi ene ye 7 special treatment a che se ono kura fili a wo fili ne kura wonsi obi a wo da prison enti wo mo che se sansam no kura bia enimu anopa won second daily guide a ubetimi akenkan bi the Ghanaian Times on some corner no by government secures 30% gold offtake deal with mining firms and Bank of Ghana tightens sanctions on due check offenders and also ewo kratify to so dunu ewo the Ghanaian Times mo Ghana needs preventive disaster strategy not before na kende no kore sanse nsuo na asam ne de bia ye kan so as a solution ye hunu ba bia de befa ena nsuo toa na eyiri fa amanfo ne ma wo hwa na ye se edan bi adwuri na no hwe de esi ye ewo Cape Coast ene atoye mantemu na ya reho se edan a ache ya esi ho hwa na adwuri bi ho nso a na de ajoskoto no adwuri akogu edan papa so na amanipa ewu enti ehu asam na nadmofo chese esi ababi aduru ne de wo mu ehia strategic preventive measures ankasa na etimi aboa Black Stars set for Croatia test tomorrow enti nyame ya dom a wochina ye ni Croatia ye gina kono ya enya semketo a ye bompa ese Ghana ebetimi edi nkunima so wochina enti ensem a no pay nkrata ne bi de ba nti aba fa mienu bi to aso
As when I am a tea for me to us.
Me fa daily post de obokrata no ento aso na opani a wono interior minister ewa ha ononyamfo Mohammed Mutaka Mubarak man triple M na asem wo kan nyina ene se de ebimo FD fore wo mo ye adwuma se security agencies no wo mo ye adwuma wo mai mo bo banje ban no ase de amanyosem ewurawura mu no yenhwe na yentwe ho mfiri ho na mo yen so man na upiem wakata fa to so enan no a eno awro husem bi si ye pa me mom de merɛ hoyi esan se MPP amanyokuo no wonom na kempanifo no wo mo kohia wa Lisa Hotel a na wo mo ye meeting emrante bi anom kitakita ayi bi atwotwo so Ken must go a wo mo kopiem wo mo so wo mo de petition na wo mo de kwakoma panimfo se yempam ononyafo Kennedy akompreko Japan emfra MPP amanyokuo nim ye ko wi ase na abambofo a wo mo ho sa bre no ese wo mo mpren mo mo fasa wo mo dede yo no de keka ho no magya ye so wo mo de si ani no na kwaye nsem bebre ya enum nsam krata fa to so nan daily post de obokrata no amani bi ede abaha no senti emrante ni bi chire mu se Kennedy de wo mpanu ku nim nti mpanimfo hwe na wo mo mpam no na PP mpanimfo nso se sa petition ya wo mo sa aka no wo no hwe so mbebo chire ede akwakoma disciplinary committee e wo ku nim no matena so no mo hwe mu se aso Kennedy ohene akompreko Japan wo mbepam no anaso bekoso atena ekonim emu nsam dache na yebehu no Ghana man penny excellency Yera John Dramani Mahama kata fe to so nom e wo daily post de obokrata no penny force Central Oil Refinery no phase 2 no wo mo de aso akwakwakobo fom ya enche bibia ebekoso e wa fa ho no mo twa homfoni sekre de ababa beto eye krata yi imo ma me sedina tamakru ationu na da hayi na edom kuma ni kire mu se efiti bra wobepiem wo maimu ana obeserve Niger terms no watna afie enafua na makomako dunum 15 days na no kra no wo mampusu wo ho anka hwan enka 24th ya wonu mu kire mu se yede no akwakotwene mu enka yamfa no ankodom kuma ne se wo mani de akire pa se wo mo so mo nkire bebe kro na mmom wo mo de wo mo gusu a wonu mu hwem se ennei wo mo ti bibi fufuro bi a wo magana fo ya so nsi wo nsan se no de wonom eye ho ade attorney general ne da hayi na opani a wono sesei no wo ba be di chama wuntumi asam no sede adwodi kan krata ba ko nim no ene wo kire mu se nkebe ya eda ka samra boy illegal mining case ya no fa chama wuntumi wo mo ede hye yesanse lawyer foforo na abenti enka wo mo toto sa attorney general se wonom sanso twenda no mu kakra na wo munya kwan ehwehwe enkata mu ye we daily post de bi ode by chronicle breso sem de obokrata no so eda ha no mu sei na owura ya woda ha yi wo ye ofri edom kuma na fem wo toto sre a wo mu kire mu se ekamia ye se ene ya enkane abo ya pejam echina ensuo bo ye pejam ya wo mu si July 1st enkane a ene nsuo ye be pejam yi wo mu sei sede aban yi eye ne niema no enya kura ni nyina ka ho na yehu de yehu gold board nso de ewa ha no enra ma me Adwoa Asafo na busua wonum nsem twerefo nhyiemu a wo mu ye no asem ba ku bi a wo mu di tudwa wo mu sei owura akofena ya wo mususu se wono na ne security personnel so no ebo ma me lawyer Adwoa Asafo etu no wonu mu kire mu se wo mu besrada ese enka entansa yamfa mono no attempted murder ena ke yamfa mono isan se ekade enkokun nipa no so chronicle etwa homfoni de abaha no mu esei ya yada ne chire de asomwo na katafe to so emiensan so empanimfu a Ghana man penny excellence Yera John Dramani Mahama ete yesa cabinet ya wo mo kwatena se na National Ethics and Anti-Corruption Action Plan ya wo mo ede ba yo mo hwehwe mu no wo mo so mo hwehwe ni nyina mu akosi ase wo mo agye bibie wo mo bia atom ya mo bebo chiri akomra hye bedwam na mpanimfo nso ahwem enti ne ho na saa asset declaration ne ho sensam ni nyina no wo tekodum emra hye bedwam a de betie bia no so ye beti mu nsem chronicle brosesam do obokrata wo de ebai na personal bi ena mediasom
enti nyame adoma the senior national team the Blasters match no yenua bema kwasisi bonso akasama wo the back page of the Daily Graphic wa show say omo be hye Croatia for de amaye nti o china no ye hwe ne besie ne ye de ho asem aba ya numbers ye de ye adwuma no pay 0260 196064 and 0260 196065 0260 196065 0260196064 and 0260196065 uba 1 minute pepe na 30 seconds and yede ma wo na fi men say take time no kama na fi wawie na wokọ na akoye obi edika ba. Hello.
Good morning, Honorable Sompa Bakupe.
Medase aboso kan ni bright ni.
Udemu ni mi ankasa. Nyame nhyira papa.
Onhyira unso yankoi.
Omba.
Medase.
Mame fa kunya wesu na me nkai region for say yenua Honorable Amos, the Oracle man Bakupe, our NDC mo. Jam so a for secretary omunkai no na omuntu abamano. Saso na Honorable Apollo and also call for deputy communication officer ewo trouble ni amomole omunkai no. Yenua no MPP for said then na mo pache ye betu electricity mo and also no adani news e dey ama omo ana. Minye sure say odo a SLC John Dramani Mahama ewo magana for any energy minister. This is the time Ombeka say omudi tax dia ebegu Ghana for subium. Enya dia ombetu electricity mo ene ati electricity mo echina. Enti omu propaganda na omu free say ombe no eno no embo omu omu mba power. Ye hwe ma papa Excellency John Dramani Mahama eye Honorable Sami Jemfimu Honorable Atufo.
Medase 0260196064 na 0260196065. Ahaya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana today, Ebraso Ghana speaks and we are hello.
Gedo.
Nokra, Mr. Nokra Sani.
Ya na wanu funfun odo de injini ajo ya no asumi ya
Mamintio.
Gedo mame NCT for staff mo na basman chetu asama of communication. Forestry Commission in Kapam, the one ambassador, the Tamoba for also for national rights. But they don't call the chief national communication and the teacher who are also for the chief national organizer. Or that MPP for almost so only smart. Woman, you're smart. Me, and young one say to me, a lawyer or Tiffany. So, no other time on to me to us. Almost you're smart and sing Ghana for. So, you're justice any attorney general say more clinic and cafe because of them the lawyer am resigning you know almost treat process na afanya fine and you swap it on more for me and will do check it when the two and the three man yet the service about mom take one what be this one yeah it is a tax year by yeah the thread down the sapano and you make you the 20 and one that is for my will be to us.
Medase no kransa na mote ne kana haye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana speaks Brennan so no Ghana for chire wo madwene nti wo so betimi aba abechire wo de hele
Tampa Akosua Aboagye
Bemena memo akwa baba Sompa
Tampa odidi ema enyanka ko bidi ma me hoye de
nyame adom tabora ni
sa pepe ene obidi fu la so ma sana na pepe ma kwan
Mami nti oyenko
ope be man kwan na ope la so ma
mempe mu bia
Matiasi
Medase
kasi ya jombo adu ATO program no me ma me hawa commission usu me ma me usu afi ono so bag for greater appeal organizer me chia empany for papa me ma me aba we yaku ne mu ani mu aso aba we buy water light ni water bill move by 5 times abanya wo se na nado dan kokufu ado no di free education buy or what the ambulance ahuru the drip machine buy na so onye hwe no na wo no ba aba me ama me ho atom na no buy water light they would 5 times get it to 6 times mami aban buy wa yekuma pan kamo ba nya no na bobo so man ultimate tell me again akon yewu mahama ba ya wa ya wanya so paso a anano pay member 100 million ultimate tell me ba ko yes tell me udi bo pa tell me again ba ko yewu mahama ba ya wa ya ultimate tell me ba ko member 100 million no pay
me dance bemen na ya no acha tabora fo nyina amaye 0260196064 and 0260196065 ha Ghana today Sompa 106.5 FM Accra.
Hello.
Yes, me patcho me nua be na mehia
Oki breki tesi bank makro chavo fahima.
Toto Pashi.
Ashima suba kana play.
Maminti wa no pay.
Asumo do me kapinya taifa na bibu.
Ye dase.
Mama yakosi enshira umponchitan.
Nyame adom ye ho ye pa.
Ndi we enshira mo my Ghana yankopon shira.
Amen.
Obi bia wo program ye anopay. After program in the dress the whole in a video offer and asuma no wasum pano si some para so akona agene ni yansa chire ebo.
Me dase.
Mami woni mkiatew en command MCA Monaco e do me pabinya ena Amos AKE Amosi Amos Blessing e Greater Accra or youth organizer or couple regional secretary e beto amano ena honorable Abulu Trouble the itiri o hwa ye faculty di cheche nti ento abama honorable Abulu e wo Trouble amaman na fi apita kwesimi tra temashifi ya deputy CEO na mishirano oni minu akwajo dankwa on also back for deputy regional communication officer. Now, cooking champagne for him. I mean, that Julius Debrasi. You to the grassroots here. But you only me. You say, a procuma every running to in the edge Kuma could win. Never to every bra. And you get Kuma son, any Japana, any Sicily. FTP. Media, Minka said, Chumukusaku, Minka, who are more flamenco. What your position to Africa what from a month who could have said. When I'm with the budget to me, into no crack a crack and it is a poor kind, no crab ben, I can take a poor come and one cut on only you.
Me dance to Pachi Yana Wachia addition in Amaye 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Me ba chomi ni abena meshiani. Hey, ajani mo so mi enkoi. Ajani mo ko asem na ko. Siri na metie free with time we do there. Etina me say go straight. Esu ato.
Ana ya first pass kema ya woba. Na nabi oje bugano oje dada. Everything. We be keeping one on no. What does one no pass. Kana wo ga to se usua. Ono to oba de ya kuma organizer. Then it can come with German was out of the slot was organizer. So, you make a say. The kind of family and but anything for what you want to I'm sure there may be a job and you have a share. And I think it's about Ghana point and share and you have to have a share. And I said the money mama is showing and you have a trouble then the more money the money for and they go to some power and you see the what can they because promise you may be one more buyer.
Me dance agent moya no wachi adisi nyina ama me 0260196064 and 0260196065 aha eya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Ghana today and na wutie no hello
Me na me kono. Live from Cantonment Market Accra
Ghana West Africa
Italy India
Nyami gusu ehira me
I am a brooch, Roman was a higher Germany. Or Kiata in the Penanam. Mamma Van Cametamano.
Yanko.
Yes, you great woman organizer. Naomi Akosua Wusu, Papa, the mission Papa. You what Jacko? Natural Germany. At the open natural Germany, they were fat no size. But the other with Diaco, communication director, and a third vice chairman, Nana B. A planted Pokuma Papa. The mission of Baumia, that's a present. Oh, on one echo. Mammy, we can't get here. MP before, MP before, Unsi Pincher, can I support the Papa? A player on Amazon, you won't immediately you a D. No more minutes and not make a Facebook and put it by the mother, I can't tell.
you have to party no we nyango pon kwa film e be go na mu musiriti ado bi andi nkata e no mo na mo o ye nyango pon on kan try na papa what your party are come me no last one come NDC we ni mgwa ye papa mo ba to like be mu oh hey nendi anu mi ni pa wonda mo ba mo like be mo ntumu ta ani mgwa ye for tumu tuma je tumu trai galamse afidi akufu adoto yo nyina mo de koko galamse na mutu galamse mo ni mo mgwa se oni nyamenya juma
medase otam na so 0260196064 and 0260196065 aha Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana speaks e wo Ghana today dwumadi so Ghana for chiro magine fansem edi him edi adencheche wo man mo hello
hey me do fo
oba panet say
na o yam de say o ni ngi na so sa
kafra mayenko Mayenkwa.
Sorry, kaka.
Yes.
I don't know what to say.
Nyame adom ogusu ehiraye.
When you are your phone na nyame sure what.
Amen, yedase.
No sure Mr. Aboagye ne man to na.
Yedase.
The pachawo. Mamia odi ejadi fotike. Ya wuchi Mami said, "Nam Samakri." Sister, and the mamma, yes, superior care, or be I see, Wakuya will be born here by a good Copera. Sister, Miss Babia and Rano, I can't ask them, I didn't know I drew no. I said, what that is I prison 10 years ago, him was 8 years to 10 years ago. Yes, sir. And this is what you will be, and Kasakaman only one is to send a year bobo and willing capital free, and then with your laundry. Yes, sir. Almost funny. Your patrol, your papa, President, John Ramani, Mama. Oh, Bano, one country and say, like bill, water bill, no. Now what you mean, no name, Sunday night, be our better to me.
Medase Obapayano Achebusian for my 0260196064 and 0260196065. Aha, Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Hello.
Abakay.
So for Mammy Domini.
Udem.
Maminti one pay.
More another way at once through 3 and come.
We are. We said that. What said that father? I don't want to go straight. I don't know. So, Mammy, don't be. I don't want to go straight.
I know I'm tear free time.
I'm a tear free. No, don't want about my uncle.
I don't pay me very more day from man. I will be a good you. Jeff came to an pen and the being to me chair and an pen. Abakay, you know, Castle. Former Muslim director, Ferdinand Tamaku. On not also, may I call you could trouble, dear. Drove back, go to a bank, Edina Coaching for Slingus. Then you penalty made your mind need to say. Mr. Embrene Buabona, or the Nifi, and a Ghana for Omisay and Trose or that dog. Your best fresh. With the young woman Mahama, but more than a Mamma, and a fan of coffee, Embrano. Nadeka corner dear. Before France, we are there than a watching at the red neck of court. My penny for 1 year, when Benny Bo and a wobble. Then I bear bands and a whole amountly man, send the bear will be for the sample of Bensican. It is saying,
Medance of Mammy, Domi, and watch your Domi for my 0260196064 and 0260196065. Aha, Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana speaks a brain nason. Hello.
Hello,
Bemena. Mini abema ben meshana no pay.
We never my electrician because the computer.
Yo, yeah, young boy.
And many about how continue to move more than you. Share Abia Ghana Hana. Like I said, you should be cancer master or move the Yakunya. So you can't kind of use and this is one of my Kunya to Ghana food. I see me and me. The electrician did the Casa, you might come on about issue, or is come. About a mess with Papa Man. because of health insurance now or ka so be 1 premium na me pay 1 month I just cook for papa or buy me health insurance me ba I papa na na buy or we school free e du ka ni abuma me am ye pela dey ane na no Akosua me tinka me see ta me nsa modumum na me fie ana me yere so sha what like big 100 cities here they say obi no ba ka tell me bi bitimo di 1 week 3 days 4 days no wo say 2 days it be a mention of me like it feel like being 600 Ghana cedis okay na over the young from Ghana from working then this is why you don't make my boy can I know I see a castle you about how to see schedule to say me about who castle yeah come topic no who you didn't see the come what man you have 2 radio stations that's what I think was how Sunday to me and then chance abo can you see this
me dance ya electrician ya no wachi adehia maye 0260196064 and 0260196065 aha eye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Ghana today dwumadie na wutie na branso ya friend Ghana speaks Ghana for show madwene hello yes me nua be ma ben me hia na no pay
MP insuta
yo
chima monobis
matima mintio
that's a panic on your man yeah musi NDC for ba ma nya hwe ndi se nya hwe krampa omo do se nan me ya television me ya na kasi se omo de buy e ma for the whole Ghana no e ba wie omo get one man e ma for mo free of charge and omo nya hwe no omo se ndi nya hwe na focus road na ba no omo ya omo se ndi nya hwe na saya yo ma ba na se no e sha se ye djuma no omu ye edi ya hwe eni ba na mu sha se ye fa ni goal ha no mu ye hu je pa on pe ni ye du na ye gusu ye ye gusu ye se mu ni se o edi ya hwe ya Ghana for the hu se edi so ye bibi ene ko so ye na yiri yo ma ko je edi ya yo ma kivu ye eni do ko ni pa make no push for more than 30 years 30 before so mu ni ma another party ba that's the part on the man
men so me dance so won so ba ye be kire wadwene e wo Ghana speaks dwumadie so e wo Ghana today hello yes
Collins me
amomole Collins yenko
mo ko shira papa na meda elra yempanyifo a omko so ma omo bom modema ya branch election 14 was and of course so yakupon shira omo tema bin kan bo amane se yakupon ya aduma they call deputy communication officer e through book constituency maybe ebi ebe kasa se ye NDC ye bai ohunhwi ya oyire ana o maami kokroma enkania ne ye ton e mo 5 kilo mo mreso no 8 years a move 5 kilo 120 100 cedi in NDC abreso 60 cedis wom 50 cedis wom anwa ko 4 gallon MPP abreso 8 years near ton 12,000 1,002 sorry it is kind of 12 million in President Mahama any NDC 600 cedis lastly obisi liter everani you memusa and Akosua go ni ba o Akosua meter ko di wu ebe so ye mere meter no hu djuma de di mu no ene o say mu da mu asem ka ye bi phone line mu ya gote na mu pe de tira na ya se de be ka se me be to Ghana fo aso mu no ni abeka ene mu su like mu you ma wu su na wase wote so se wo se wote so a konya ko kache ye former vice president say we can am de buy no e ko di
me dance Collins ya no achi amomole fo nyina ma ye 0260196064 and 0260196065 hello
Minya nyamia sinji enka wanope
encounso minya ben me hia na no pay
yo unya ba Rose Queen of the Airways ni washa man Lebanon
oba hima ye nkwa
yo momentia mi papa ona budda na matemensa eni nya meda ona butu kuno nya mi ba oba as a regional secretary or regional youth organizer Amos Blaze mesre temenu swa yensha bante ni nyam ejuma de wa bob yo geta ka papa menya obi se yenche ejuma yenkre ejuma peze mama ba ye waye President Mama, baby, you are working on the Yakopo on Sean on your case, Vice President, Chief of Staff. Abakay Adwoa second coming. Wait to Mancasa, 24 months, and you might be I shall my gun and Omo 8 years, Omo Chay, get us out to Bakuka or my 8 years in power. Omo Chay, one regional hospital of the Takra, and to the college, we demo some of Montre. So obedi just 1.5 years. No company say, a Juma Papa Ben away. I memono you good. You want high. Chemu time. Obi say every jita Edina Tamako or one is here. So what means so one is here? For police station, I call report to the go funny. One also Tennessee wants to prison. And she wants to say Edina Tamako.
Madam Sequin or Bahofe, Yadas, so do I drink Chaba 0260196064 and 0260196065. Aha, I use Sompa 106.5 FM. Accra Ghana speaks a bre and I gusu no hele. ABC Yanko. Yamia do me a hoya pa, Yenti one pay.
The jacket and command you a shaman, Pacho, communication officer, a shaman for Monteman, the Pacho, still maintain. And now, deputy communication officer, Papa, to move way. Police, Amamoli, the Pacho, Monteman, Papa, a Jobian Cadden. Now, I've gone to Monteman, I help you. Monteman, not to work on and a deputy communication officer, the Pacho, Catamanso, a pine, also called the Pacho. Incoming National Regional Chairman, Tete Michael Tete Michael, Tete or non echo, me party one. And now incoming constituent organizer, I was in Yahuza, the patrol on the post, Manuko. Anti Akosua, me patrol. Say MPP for say, only we are said Namakua, me patrol. Sisi Amunda, Namon Fair. Namunko catch up for say, Chanum. The Tom Quachi Falco prison. Shaka. Now, among can we say 3rd July? I think will be back. I want any other day. Almost me, I drink like Rambo, 3rd July. You be back with your mawim. On Rebbe Hockey. Shaka, and that was the Papa. And you, as a granny, 1,000 pounds, and I.
Medan say ABC awakasa free abed ya no acha NDC phone nyina ma 0260196064 0260196065. Hello.
Senga ba ma chen.
Ebe ni ana.
San so hwe ni na me imagine.
Ebe machi wo ho. Ah machi. Yankwai mabinti o. Nyami adome hoye pa.
Ida yeho ati se o ma de pa chien. No busra boy o mobile. Nya ba maminchia mi MP honorable Makulu and honorable NC Agbo. Somebody did able to mapa na popon na Mr. Osman aka the one and my PM wo me kra one because NDC here two branch national wa na bibia me akoto wa no wa na PM wo abenya. Maminchia and we this year one constituency school tradition the oracles them was blessing the parent great Accra regional youth organizer no regional secretary the made do a better next the amano na chief of staff in Yabema could you down of the national deputy communication of the Buana and co being graduate and about the Mashipia deputy executive Mr. Brown Forest Commissioner Executive to the Chiano of one of whom Papa. Maybe about is he can before the moon here. Amunja Moody, the more 5 kilo on time, 910 and then 75.
Medasi Ben with time no as what the Ayenchi and Tiaso. I may funny pa me no na fe me 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Akosua Aboagye.
Nana mo akunye. Nana, me uncle. And council.
Yaba, you become a media income national chairman. You are a watch a jackal. The Dumbiano, the channel got food more around the energy of the India. Did you say, I'm a 2 year? I'm going to have one. Gamamo Eco year, and Gamamo Akuma in case Akosomuno. And yet I pay Canada to the lady to what I do. I'm going to put a shoe that door. Then the other bar, and then voice is in one more year, and more 5 skills. I won't want you to do. In the other, I won't now. Anyway, that's that. Mama was going to put on the last hour. And not one of the put it more than 15 months. Move to Yamuka. The girl is busy. The Yamuka is moving now. It's not yet that. 24 hours from now, I'm going to follow. I'm going to get power economy. And I'm going to go for almost 10. But I'm going to follow. Now, Biden, the past government, agenda, woman is going to put in
Medas and I'm a time, so me fadi chat to cry. Hello.
Good morning.
Me pacho, dum radio no mame why na.
Okay, Makikaza.
A free fanny.
We prefer.
I want to make you chat to a mammy.
Money, my family, Mangana. I'm going to Munya again. I blame Abria. I mean, honorable watcher, incoming national chairman, MPP. Very good. Mumia Penny watcher, Jacomo, near Tinian Kabum, near the power. And Jacosia, yeah, they didn't buy no more saying, you will Mahamo buy in China, see him. I'm almost so big president to that. And you blow me deep that year, need years from home. What big president to that? It will be a young minor. What then you know, Castle quality mistake and Tiamanabra, that you hear Ghana for obey. That's what buy not 1 year, you will come so buy in China. When you're saying that your friend and what you want to say or the Banu, and whenever we may be done, you will have a big president. And you never want a year. But by when you talk, I'm saying, Mammy, I will try ya, 1 free. Mammy, what to a derino. And just a say, oh, by an awesome woman for them. That's a dead with the English in the Euro Mammy and go to me. No, Mamma, I appear, way up here. Take a mobile. Over here, a film, a child will I thought that you gave me 1 money at the moment. If you buy your money with them, no money not to get them daddy moving down. As one money to see a car, no more. Okay, we want to have a
Medas Yamin Shaw, Yefa Afrefo no NCH. Endpoint homeopathic clinic Dr. Dubois to Safro Sabra. Na a woman how obetimi siano mau, Branebe wone fa ho fa oba, prostrate in men, and also so Bema prostate enlargement, Abra. Na endpoint homeopathic clinic, any wakajinemu, premature ejaculation, and also yebebo, low sperm count, Bema wo how pom day, instant man, ye diaba, ebemo jina wana so pabeneso, where your buyer dia wo champua, wo dish ye be a bubu gudem. Munya kwa yinkwa adwuma we first born be hye no ade eche na second born na third born there be fa nebra na anese for ne doctor for nyina ne so hye no a endpoint homeopathic clinic no ye de mpomde papa na abrewo enti frɛ physiotherapy no ebi wo ho massage ne bi wo ho endpoint homeopathic clinic ne bo ye chi de ma ye de Ghana Today dwumadi ne ba enti from 0244 867068 and 0244 and 027 423 4321 027434321 adwa so mo na ye ni dwatew na afei yemfa de aka no enche na Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo du tenase na wo de Sompa Rhapsody na wo de atoa so amaye
anopay for your client service line na ye new ending komo o ye business for fra waba anase baby a wadwuma na kora wo no wo wagine mu achese visibility na wo hye no wonya mepacho what the products no anase wadweton de ne beba hanum sei ye ne obekon hyehyeye flexible terms and ye ne obeko na yetimi aboa ma wo business ne ya page na free level na ewo no akọ baby a ekron enti for your client service line no ewo 0531 886216 0531 886216 so for bejo so na ye no wadi nkomoni a church oni mani so said ye di adwuma e wo Sompa hanum se na de beboa wo no wonso wetimi eyi afrimu 0531886216 anopay se wunyam pe ensuo bi nom ya na wodi weni atwere Kasaloma Ventures ho na wakwa akopɛ kasa natural mineral water ne bi weekend yi programs bebree ene bekoso abadin to aye yo sorry programs ahodo ensu a yede esoma hoho wase eye kasa natural mineral water we eye ensu kroja yede afan fidiem ne asonso ayi efibia ede afri mu FDA fu atintim so enti se wo yusu bi na wo didi wujuma enya de se wo benya problem bia Taifa and Crime Back Hospital no wo de odu ho no ma na chi ho no ma hwehwe bi se obia se wokɔ Kasaloma Ventures won betro ho na wakwa akɔgye unso na ebia babia wono nso no wo atwe na opese e be deliver edema wa me patcho wo be frɛ yɛn e wo 0206 469430 0206 469430 ye no bedi nkomo na yaba be deliver ede amount Hajia special local foods new aduane papa fie no aduane bi aya to din anopai no nwotwe boipe Hajia asset ni table no nti uko hono mo a na wakwa akɔgye wo de se bi a wo adwuma mu wo fie wo pese ye deliver lunch ede ma so a eno so delivery services no available like betimi de abrel wo be 0246 359921 0246 359921 na delivery guy no edi aduane na bababia wo bia na emum se wankasa pese o ye working na okohonum kodidi a Hajia ewo hacho atomic kwan no so de wudu transition funeral home a bisa obia se Hajia special local food wen wo betcho ebenchen honum a na waboeru ho no wakwa kodidi kama na nieme nyina etimi akoye wo madaroma ena no peye de Ghana today jumedi no ebrewo na birthday greetings bi wa hatew yenyin free ho na yen sorry Bema Safo Kantan Kanadi we by was say ene eye Jerome ene Jeffrey Nana Yaw Inkum woma woda womo ye twins
Abakay makan me said o musi to amakai bra me mani di kan tena so no and o my mpanifo a ebias o manyi ni sesi a
Jerome
na wana ne afa onipadua mu
Jerome ni Jeffrey Nana Yaw Inkum ene eye mawoda efri mo maame Sandra Youngson ene grandma Auntie Dinah nom Ewotema community 3 ena wom se yemfa special happy birthday mama ene no mwenya 1 year enti nyame enkosoa na omamu nyini kama emfri adomo enko adomo Saran so ena yede special happy birthday ema kiss me more enti yema awoda pa every lovely wife Tima ena o se yemfa happy birthday ema o se wo fro kiss me more enti a glorious birthday enkoma we pray say eneda no ebeye sonko ede ama na erade atinenim atro enti me mawie birthdays ne wa
yo aba yo enti ene na ye DC ha ne ye de Sompa Rhapsody no na ye de atoa so na adepa wase me twato a wo de ema ye ne tie
we de tie ene ye fiada nyankopon ya adomo a if it's sabre ya ko bi atimi pon at any time sanse if you ada dey na said that Africa ye ni yen dan tu for sa enti na ya no ahwe hu yi na ho amasem weekend yi mo
ye dance sister Adwoa kakra wo de maye na ya sorry so
ene ye bebo mpaya ma blasta so Ghana
na cho mama weekend na ye de
said ye sha si ya jese nije yi o ma ye ntuamu sa na me yadom china 9 pm na match no ejinamu enti ye wish wo mo well say enioma betimi akoye na wo manigi ana ekoye Ghana fo nyina ani age enti Black Stars of Ghana no obi am make sure say match no wo behwe bi ye ne Croatia na eniwe nyina